Okay, so today we are talking about voltage. What is voltage? My brain is not up to much today, so let's take a simple circuit. Just one bulb and one cell. Okay, we know when we complete the circuit, the bulb will light. Electrical energy has been carried from the cell to the light and converted into light and heat energy. So what is carrying that energy around the circuit? It's my coulombs, my lumps of negative charge. They carry the energy from our cell and deliver it to the components in my circuit. Now I'm going to use my analogy from previous videos. In our videos on current, we had the following. Our postmen are coulombs and our roads are wires. We're going to extend this further. Our components are going to be houses and our cells are going to be the post office. So my postmen are going to take the post from the post office and they are going to deliver it to the various houses on their route. But in our circuit, our coulombs take the energy from the cell and they deliver it to various components in the circuit. So the post or the packages that my postmen have are going to represent the energy in the circuit. Energy is measured in joules. So 1 joule is going to be 1 package. But I hear you, it would be nice to be introduced to voltage at some time today. My definition of voltage is the energy per unit charge. In other words, how many joules is each of my coulombs carrying around the circuit? And in my post analogy, that is how many packages each postman has. Let's look at a circuit. I've got a circuit here with a 6-volt cell. So each coulomb has 6 joules of energy to give to the components. Or each postman has 6 packages to deliver to the house. In this next circuit, because my battery is 3 volts, this time each coulomb only has 3 joules of energy. Okay, now we all know that physicists love an equation. So here it is. E is equal to Q multiplied by V. E, energy in joules, is equal to Q, charge in coulombs, multiplied by V, voltage in volts. Let's do a quick example using this equation. What is the total energy transferred to a bulb which has a voltage across it of 10 volts and has had 6 millicoulombs pass through it? Okay, here's our equation. And let's define all of our variables. V is 10 and Q is 6. But be careful. This Q was given to me in millicoulombs. I need to multiply 6 by 10 to the minus 3. If you're unsure about prefixes, check out that video. So I have E is Q times V. So E is equal to 6 times 10 to the minus 3 multiplied by 10 is 0.06 joules. So that's calculating voltage. In order to measure it, we need a voltmeter. Things to be aware of are you need your voltmeter to be in parallel around your components. That way it can measure how much energy per coulomb has been given to that particular component. If you found that helpful, please do click on the next video to see how voltage behaves in series circuits.